Next up with the unboxings is this surf hat from Ocean and Earth. This is the Indo surf hat, men's Indo, and this is how it comes. So obviously a bit squished, but it's a very sort of flexible material. This is designed to be worn actually in the water and outside the water. So you've got these rather interesting, elegant straps. They go underneath your chin, adjustable. Build quality is really nice. I mean, it does feel excellent. I think it's about $35, this one. And we've got a little Velcro adjuster on the rear, so that undoes. We've also got these little vents here, and that's great for cooling, but it's also to let the water through. So when you're in a big wave, the water can escape out the back of the hat. There's also, I think, there's a little pouch in the middle, so you can store items in there, like keys and money or something. So you can wear this casually as well. I think these straps, they don't come off, but they could just fold up neatly inside. It's got this rear piece as well. I can't remember what they call it, but this is kind of cover your neck in the sunshine if it gets too hot. So that's actually one feature I really wanted. You can see it unbuttons on and off. Nice bit of padding inside. Ocean and Earth, designed in Australia, made in China. 100% nylon, made in China. This one, and the reason why I actually went for this one, if you see there's a little clue here and a clue here, stiff peak. So this section all the way from here up to here is kind of a, it's like a plastic insert or something like that. So when you're wearing it, you can flip it up or flip it down. And so that's in the water. If you want to get a bit more visibility, you can flip it up and it will hold up. I think styling wise, I think I prefer it with a soft peak. But this is the only one I can find with a hard peak. I think I'll give it a go. I may get a second hat in time, but really the two items that I really wanted was a surf hat with a nice comfortable buckle, this rear piece to cover neck, and this stiff peak as well. One other thing just to point out, if you look at the label, colour is black. However, this is most definitely not a black. This is a slate grey, quite a light grey. Here's an item that's black, probably not the best item to compare with. So here's a sports shirt that is black, similar kind of material, and you can see it's way off. This hat is definitely a slate grey, described as black. I actually checked with the suppliers to see whether I'd got an unusually coloured one, a faded colour one, or that's the actual colour, and this is the actual colour that it comes in. So don't be fooled, black is not black. In fact, look at the Velcro, that's black, that is slate grey. So I don't know why they describe it as such. It is 50 plus UPF, excellent protection, blah blah blah. Basically keeps the sun off you. Australian Radiation Protection and Nuclear Safety Agency, there you go, can't get better than that. Surf hats, technical wear. That is actually the colour I wanted. I wanted to get this kind of light slate grey. I think it just looks cooler. Can't find that one in stock. I think this hat, well, it's actually quite hard to get hold of, but they do different versions of this. You can get the grey, but without the rear element and without the stiff peak. So what else we got here? Technical fabric, comfortable, chin. That's Legionnaire. That's the one on the back. So I'd recommend that. Ocean and Earth seems to be like a quality brand. Overall, seems like a quality item. Little logo on there. Let's get it in the water and let's test it out. But on first inspection, apart from the colour, I'm going to deduct 2 points for that. Maybe that's a little unfair, 1 point. So I'm going to give it overall a decent 8 out of 10. If it had been black, I would have given it a 9. One other quick thing, it is very sort of flexible, so if you're going to pack it in a suitcase, you can really squish it down and it'll be all right. I'm not sure about the peak, but as long as you keep it sort of fairly flat, it'll be all right. But yeah, very durable. Stick it in a backpack, don't worry about it too much. It's going to be pretty tough. Other thing to kind of call out is you've got these little mesh. Sometimes they don't have the mesh around the ears. I think that's another feature I quite liked. Stop your ears sort of popping through and then rubbing against the sides. So that was another nice little feature. So keen to test it out.